Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear students, this is your Ifat ma'am speaking. Hope you are all well. As you all know, we are passing through a very difficult situation nowadays. So, because of this emergency situation, we have come up with online studying material to help you learn the lessons in your curriculum. This class is meant for the students of Greenhills Experimental School enrolled in class 3rd. And today we are going to discuss solids, liquids and gases. So dear students, you open the page number 33 of your book. Topic is solids, liquids and gases. So dear students, you can see here in the beginning of the lesson, some fill in the blanks are given here with some options, and you have to fill them with correct option. Options are condensation, evaporation, melting, freezing. So dear students, let's fill these blanks with the correct option. Number 1 is water changes into water vapor by dash dash. Number 2, water vapor changes into water drops by dash dash. Number 3, water changes into ice by dash dash. Number 4, ice changes to water by dash dash. Answer of first one is water changes into water vapor by evaporation. Number 2, water vapor changes into water drops by condensation. Number 3, water changes into ice by freezing. Number 4, ice changes to water by melting. Now let's start our topic. Our world is made up of different kinds of materials such as rocks, soil, wood, water, air, etc. All these materials are divided into 3 groups: solids, liquids and gases. First we will discuss solids. Take some wooden blocks and place one on top of the other. Can you do the same thing with water? What problems would you face? Water will spread everywhere and start flowing. You can pick up the wooden blocks from the ground, but not water. The wooden blocks have a definite shape. They can be kept without a container, but water needs to be kept in a container. It does not have any shape of its own. It takes the shape of its container. So, things that have a definite shape are called solids. Similarly, objects like books, candles, furniture, bricks, etc. also have a definite shape and can be kept without a container. They are all solids. We use solids like bricks, stones, wood, glass, etc. to build buildings, roads and bridges. Similarly, most useful things in our day-to-day life like utensils, machines, vehicles, toys, etc. are also made from solids. Dear students, here some pictures are given. Picture of utensils, toy, vehicles, bricks. Now we will discuss liquids. So dear students, you can see here first an activity is given here. Activity is take some water in a glass. You will see that water has taken the shape of the glass. Pour the water in a bowl. Now the water takes the shape of the bowl. If you pour the same water in a saucer, the water will take the shape of that saucer. So, liquids are substances that do not have any shape and flow easily. Liquids take the shape of the container. Liquids always flow from higher level to a lower level. Water, milk, oil, and petrol are some more examples of liquids. Here, picture of milk, oil, and petrol is given. They are all examples of liquids. Gases. You know that our earth is surrounded by air. Air is a mixture of gases. These gases cannot be seen. They do not have a definite shape. They take the shape of the container. Gases can only be kept in closed containers. Otherwise, they spread out in all directions. So, gases do not have a definite shape and spread out in all directions. We use gases to fill tires, footballs, and balloons. We breathe in oxygen, which is a gas. So, dear students, we have formative assessment here. Question is, name the following. Number 1, 2 solids. Number 2, 2 liquids. And number 3 is 2 gases. So, answer of first one is 2 solids are books and bricks. Number 2, 2 liquids are water and milk. 2 gases are oxygen and carbon dioxide. Change of state. Solids, liquids and gases are the 3 conditions or states in which a material can be found. These states can be changed from one to another by heating or cooling. Now we will see here what happens on heating and what happens on cooling. On heating, solid changes to liquid and liquid changes to gas, and on cooling, gas changes to liquid and liquid changes to solid. Some materials need a lot of heating or cooling, some do not. Coconut oil is a liquid and coconut oil is a liquid at normal temperature, but it freezes and becomes solid in winter. Just a little bit of cooling is enough for the coconut oil to change from the liquid state to the solid state. Here, 2 pictures are given. First one shows us coconut oil in liquid state and second one shows coconut oil in solid state. Ice is the solid state of water. It turns to liquid even if you keep it inside the refrigerator but not in the freezer. A block of butter kept in the sun will melt and turn into the liquid state. Metals like iron and gold also turn to liquid state. Metals need a lot of heat to change from the solid state to the liquid state. Dear students, again an activity is given here. Activity is fill an ice tray with water. Keep it in the freezer of your refrigerator. After 3 to 4 hours, Take out the ice tray. What do you notice? There is ice in the tray. It is a solid. Thus, the water which was earlier in liquid state has now changed to solid state on cooling. Keep the ice tray outside for some time. What do you notice? The ice melts and turns to water. Thus, the solid ice melts and turns into liquid water as it is hotter outside the refrigerator. Ask an adult to heat some water in a pan. After some time, you will see steam rising and the water in the pan reducing. The liquid water in the pan has actually changed to a gas called steam or water vapor on heating. Now, if a cold metal plate is held over the steam, you will see droplets of water on the plate. Here, steam changes to liquid water on cooling. Thus, you can see that form of water can be changed by heating or cooling. Again, formative assessment is given here. Question is, state whether the following sentences are true or false. Number 1. We can change the state of water. Number 2. Ice melts and forms steam. Number 3. Steam is water vapor. Answer of first one is, we can change the state of water. True. Number 2. Ice melts and forms steam. False. Number 3. Steam is water vapor. True. Solubility. First, an activity is given. Activity is, take 2 glasses, fill them with water. In one glass, add 2 teaspoons of sand, and in the other glass, add 2 teaspoons of salt. Stir the water in both the glasses. You will notice that the sand remains as it is, whereas the salt mixes completely with water and cannot be seen anymore. Salt particles mix with water. So, sand does not mix with water and salt mixes completely with water. When something dissolves or mixes with a liquid, we say it is soluble in that liquid. If it does not dissolve in a liquid, we say that it is insoluble in that liquid. In the above activity, salt is soluble in water and sand is insoluble in water. Stone, glass, plastic, wood, etc. are insoluble in water. Sugar, fruit juices, etc. are soluble in water. Formative assessment. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. Sugar is dash dash in water. Number 2. Wood is dash dash in water. Answer of first one is, sugar is soluble in water. Number 2. Water is insoluble in water. Now, dear students, some important points are given here and you have to remember these points. Point number 1 is, all the materials are divided into 3 groups: solids, liquids and gases. Number 2, things that occupy space and have a definite shape are called solids. Number 3, liquids flow and do not have a definite shape. Number 4, gases spread out in all directions. Number 5. Ice, water, and steam are the three states of water. Another one is on heating or cooling, water changes its state. Next, salt and sugar are soluble in water. Last one is sand is insoluble in water. Now, some fill in the blanks are given here from the lesson. And dear students, here two options are given for each, and you have to choose the correct one. Number 1 is dash dash are divided into solids, liquids, and gases. Options are materials or rocks. Number 2, dash dash have a definite shape. Options are liquids or solids. Number 3, liquid flows from dash dash level, higher to lower or lower to higher. Number 4, a block of butter needs very little dash dash to change from solid state to liquid state. Options are cooling or heat. Number 5, salt is dash dash in water. Options are soluble or insoluble. Now, answer of first one is materials are divided into solids, liquids, and gases. Number 2, solids have a definite shape. Number 3, liquid flows from higher to lower level. Number 4, a block of butter needs very little heat to change from solid state to liquid state. Number 5, salt is soluble in water. Part B. Take the correct answer. Dear students, again some options are given here and you have to choose the correct one. Number 1 is these substances have a definite shape. Options are liquids, B, gas, C, solids. Number 2, these substances flow from higher level to lower level. A, solids, B, liquids, C, gas. Number 3, which of the following is a gas? A, oxygen, B, water, C, spoon. Number 4, it is soluble in water. A, plastic, B, salt, C, wood. Answer of first one is these substances have a definite shape. Answer is solids. Number 2, these substances flow from higher level to lower level. Answer is liquids. Number 3, which of the following is a gas? Answer is oxygen. Number 4, it is soluble in water. Answer is salt. Part C. State whether the following sentences are true or false. Number 1, liquids spread in all directions. Number 2, we breathe in oxygen gas. Number 3, water has to be heated to turn it into steam. Number 4, sand is insoluble in water. Number 5, a pencil is soluble in water. Answer first one is liquids spread in all directions. Dear students, it's true. We breathe in oxygen gas. True. Water has to be heated to turn it into steam. True. Number 4, sand is insoluble in water. True. Number 5. A pencil is soluble in water. False. Part D. Answer these questions. Question number 1 is name the 3 states of water. Question number 2. Name 3 solids which are used in buildings. Question number 3. What are the characteristics of a liquid? Question number 4. Name 3 materials which do not have a definite shape. Question number 5. Name the gaseous state of water. Question number 6. What do you understand by change of state of materials? Question number 7. Name a material that needs a lot of heat to change from solid state to liquid state. Now, first question is name the 3 states of water, and its answer is solids, liquids and gases are the 3 states of matter. Question number 2. Name 3 solids which are used in buildings. Answer is bricks, cement and wood are the 3 solids which are used in buildings. Question number 3. What are the characteristics of a liquid? Answer is the characteristics of a liquid are as under. Number 1. Liquids have fixed volume but no fixed shape. Number 2. Liquids take the shape of the container. Number 3. Liquids always flow from higher level to a lower level. Question number 4 is name 3 materials which do not have a definite shape. Water, oil and petrol are the 3 materials which do not have a definite shape. Question number 5 is name the gaseous state of water. Answer is water vapor is the gaseous state of water. Question number 6. What do you understand by change of state of materials? Answer is solids, liquids and gases are the 3 conditions of states in which a material can be found. These states can be changed from one to another by heating or cooling. For example, when water is heated, it becomes water vapor and exists in its gaseous state. When it is cooled, it becomes ice and exists in its solid state. Question number 7. Name a material that needs a lot of heat to change from solid state to liquid state. Answer is gold is a material which needs a lot of heat to change from solid state to liquid state. Thank you. Have a good day.